Now this problem is example of a concentration cell. So we'll discuss concentration cell. These are the easy problem because we have E degree cell is 0. Now you see, what is the left side? Left side reaction, that is the oxidation half cell. Left side is oxidation. You have reaction Ag plus electron, and let us say for this reaction E degree is X, and call concentration of Ag plus is C1. Now right side you have, that is the reduction half, right, for reduction Ag plus electron, and this forms Ag. And now E degree, this is the reduction. If this is oxidation is X, then reduction has to be minus X. Now if I add these two cells, so I will have E degree 0. So let us call the concentration of Ag plus here is C2, and Ag solid react with Ag plus, this is concentration C2, that is basically coming from Br minus. So you see in the second compartment you have Cl minus. So C2 is basically coming from Cl minus. So we'll discuss. Now you see Ag plus again Ag. Ag is solid. Now this time concentration is C1, and this is coming from Br minus. So this is Cl minus, and one case C1 is, this is AgBr. C1 is coming from Br minus. C1 is coming from Br minus. Now if I write E degree cell is basically 0 in this case, because no oxidation, no reduction, both are 0. X and minus X will add up to 0. So now I can write E cell under standard condition, that is E degree minus 0.0592, and this divided by n, number of electron is 1, log of C1 divided by log of C2. Are you getting? So we can calculate C1, C2 easily. So E cell I have, this is equals to minus 0.0592, this divided by 1, and log of C1. So you can calculate C1. So C1 is coming from Br minus, so I can write Ag plus into Br minus, and that is Ksp of AgBr. So this is equals to Ksp AgBr. Are you getting or not? So this is Ksp AgBr. So Ag plus, that is C1. What is value? So now I can write Ag plus is nothing but Ksp AgBr, and this divided by Br minus. Simple. Are you getting or not? So let us plug this value of C1. So this is Ksp AgBr, and this divided by, so let us say Ksp AgBr, this divided by Br minus. Now similarly I can calculate C2. This will come out to be, now we know what should be. So this is Br minus, in this case you will have Cl minus, that will go up, and then you will have Ksp. So this is Ksp AgCl. Are you getting or not? So this is the one important point you will have. Now let us plug these values. So E cell is equals to minus 0.0592 divided by 1. And now the question says find the ratio so that EM of the cell is 0. So EM of the cell is 0. So easy. EM of the cell is 0. So now if this is 0, this log has to be 1. Let me write once again. So log Ksp AgBr and concentration of Cl minus divided by Ksp AgCl, and you have concentration of Br minus. Because E cell is 0, this means this term has to be 1, because log is 1, this is 0, then log 0 is only possible if this term is equals to 1. So if I apply E cell is equals to 0, I can write Ksp AgBr into Cl minus, and this divided by Ksp AgCl into Br minus. This has to be 1. Are you getting or not? I think all of you are getting, because E cell is 0. So what is the term? Log has a 0 value, then only if this is 1. So this means now I know the Cl minus divided by Br minus. So Cl minus divided by Br minus is simply KSPAgCl, and this divided by KSPAgBr. Simple. KSPAgBr. You see, question also give you KSPAgCl, AgCl, KSP. What is the value of KSPAgCl? AgCl and AgBr. AgCl 10 to the power minus 10. So AgCl is 10 to the power minus 10. And what is the value of AgBr? So what is the value of AgBr? 5 into 10 to the power minus 13. 5 into 10 to the power minus 13. So this value is 5 into 10 to the power minus 13. So now I can write, so 13, 1, 3 you have Cl minus divided by Br minus, and this is easy to write, and this is 1000 divided by 5, simple. So this is 200 divided by 1. So now I can say ratio of Cl minus to Br minus, so ratio of Cl minus is to Br minus, and this is simply nothing but 200 is to 1. So if this is the concentration ratio, you will have E cell is 0. So E cell is 0.